Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into a beautiful, safe childhood healing meditation. If you're ready to join me, let's get started. Begin by sitting in a nice, secluded, quiet area and gently close your eyes or just soften the gaze. Let your body simply relax. All of the worries and the thoughts of today are now gone. And all there is just you. Now, I want you to take a deep breath into the nose and out through the mouth. Simple and quiet. Not too much. Now, continue to breathe in and out. Today's meditation, we're focusing on clearing out of the stagnation, childhood trauma. Getting rid of the old and bringing in the new. By simply taking away and bringing in. For an example, taking away a harsh problem that you dealt with and bringing in something fun like you and your parents cooking or whoever could have raised you as a child. We are replacing these old harsh memories with new good memories. This is called quantum rewriting. We are not taking away your childhood. We are healing it and making it better for you. Now, are you ready? Right now, as you breathe in and out, I want you to simply thank your old self for surviving it. I know it wasn't easy for you. I know that it was a lot that you had to deal with. So, give thanks. Now, let's give that child a different story. My lovelies, it is time. You have the power to do this. As you rewrite your childhood history stories and replace those bad memories, I will pause and give you time as the music plays. Remember, you can do this. want you to give yourself a nice big hug for what you did today. It was beautiful. Now, start to open your eyes and slowly come back to your awareness. We are moving on to the light language healing. Those that want to leave can exit the video now. Those who want to stay for the light language healing can continue. Koroma mayaka idio koroko babayana niyaka eke mama ya koroma mayaka idia na ya koroma maba eke bea korona na yaka idia do yo babayakara maka idia koroma mayaka isi yeke bebe ya koroma mayaka eshe babaya koroma ma eke no yaka dia eke mama yakara Puko kara ye se kia mai ye ke koro mama ya ka ikia roko baba ya si mama ya koro baba ya kai ye ke baba ya koro mama ya ka boyo koro kai inana ya kasi iya kai kia koro mama ya ka hebe ya koro mama ya ka idi ya koroko baba ya maka kia dia roko baba ya karaka meke ke ro mama ya karoka iya mai kaya si iki. Thank you for meditating with me. Thank you for being here. Your presence is much appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.